Hi everyone! Today we will learn how to make a magic ring. So how to make a magic ring? First, around wrap yarn around your fingers like this. Your fingers like this. And then insert your hook under the loop like this. And then yarn over yarn over, fold through, and chain 1 to secure. Now we have a ring. We have a magic ring. Okay? You can crochet, make a single crochet so that you can secure the ring. Okay? Like this. Okay? For example, I crochet 6 single crochet. I crochet 6 single crochet on sa ating magic ring. Like this. Sorry for the may background noise tayo. I cannot I don't have a quiet place to make a tutorial video. Sorry. Okay. Pero pray nyo lang. Sana magkaroon ako ng sarili kong bahay. Then, once you're done, you just pull it. Then, you have a magic ring na. Ayan. Magic ring. Diba? Dahil sa magic ring, meron kayong base stitch. Okay? For your project. So, I hope you learned something about my tutorial. Easy lang naman yan. I-roll nyo lang like this. Tapos, ito, insert a hook under the loop. Then, grab this loop. Okay? And then, chain 1. Chain 1 to make it secure. Okay? To secure the magic ring. And then, voila! Done! So, tip in making a magic ring, pull the yarn tail later to tighten the circle. Just, hayaan nyo lang siya. Let it be. Okay? Just crochet. Make a crochet. Then, later nyo nang i-pull tong ring. Okay? Pull the yarn later. Okay? Pull the yarn tail later to tighten the circle. Okay. Congratulations. You know how to make a magic ring. See you in my next video. In my next video, we will make a chain stitch.